Hello everybody and welcome to another Smarthome Solutions video. In today's video we're going to be looking at Ikea Tradfri bulbs and whether you need to update the firmware to then use them with a Philips Hue system. I published a video a while back which showed you how to pair a Ikea Tradfri bulb to your Philips Hue system, and part of that process was to update the firmware on the Tradfri bulb by going onto the Tradfri hub and connecting your bulb to the hub and then updating the firmware. That then allowed you to pair the bulb on the Philips Hue system. But recently the new bulbs that come out from Ikea, apparently you don't need to update the firmware, so that's what we're going to check today. Normally you would have to unpair the bulb from the Tradfri hub and the Tradfri network, but as the bulbs come straight out of the box, then we're just going to go into the iConnect Hue app and we're just going to start the process straight from there. Just to avoid any confusion with the system, you always need to turn off any existing Philips Hue bulbs. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell icon as well so you don't miss out on my next video. Right, okay, so we've switched the bulb on and we've got it in close proximity to the Philips Hue hub. We're going to go into the iConnect Hue app. Now the way this works from the previous video has slightly changed now, it's more updated. So you go into lights and you have to add a new light, and now we have an option there to search with touch link. So we click on that and it's telling you to bring the device near to the Philips Hue bridge, about 30 centimeters, which we are, and then press start. If it's worked, the light will blink after a few seconds. So let's start. There it's pulsing. As we would expect. And now it's gone out. So now we should be able to find a new light. There it is, the new light, the dimmable light in green. So now we should be able to, that should be paired with the Philips Hue hub. Now we should be able to go into the Philips Hue app and one new light found. They are marked in the new list. Yes, they are. You can now give them a new name and do all that nice stuff. So we'll come back out and let's just go into the Philips Hue app. So there you go, there's your answer. You don't need to update the firmware, which is great. You can just order your bulbs from Ikea and then take them straight out of the box and pair them with your Philips Hue system using the process I've just shown you. So I hope you found that of use. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done already, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. Okay, thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next one.